All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So we are here with the OnePlus Nord N200. We've got the Revolution and the Guardian from Poetic. It's been a while since I rocked out with some Poetic cases. So we're going to crack these open here. Just randomly grab one here and we'll pop it open here and put it on for you. I'll have links for these down below. Be sure to follow me now on Amazon Live. I'll be doing more content on Amazon Live to help promote these products a little bit better. So here is the front case here with the no protector in it, which I think is sweet that they do this all together. And then this one is going to be the front side, which has the screen protector. So I'm going to rock out with the no protector for now because I like the way this screen feels. We'll get it cleaned up. So let's pop this open here. The fact that they give both, I love it. Both in one box is sweet. So we get our microfiber cloth and clean it up. We'll put this on like so. And then we'll go in bottom first. And boom, and we'll peel this off. Ooh, nice. Very nice. I like. So make sure you work this around here. You can see the fingerprint reader is deeply recessed in here. This is going to give some good protection for your fingerprint reader. I think my battery might be dead. It's powered off, but I want to go ahead and show you with the screen on with the lip protection and everything. Corner protection, drop protection. This is the case for you. So you got the port on the bottom. They're covered up down here. So you got your headphone jack covered with the plug-in port and the Type-C covered, and the microphone and speaker is open down there. And then you got your microphone cut out on the top up there. Corner protection with feet on the back of every side. And then you've got your camera right here with it nicely recessed. Really nice. I'm going to go ahead and sign in real quick here because I want to give you a whiff of the fingerprint reader. Phone's going to start up here. Yeah, I got a little bit of battery. So the fingerprint reader works well with this, man. I mean, on the front here, again, you have the option for a screen protector when you buy this. They give you both. So if you have a screen protector on your device already, use the one without the shield. And if you don't have one on there, you can use this one with the shield. So that's good that they do that. Test that fingerprint reader. Phone's booting up, so it's got a little, yeah, it's getting this first. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Nice. Fingerprint reader works well. That is a deep cutout right there, but that is for your own good. So this is a very nice case here, man. So now we're going to go ahead and switch over to the Revolution. That's the Guardian right here. Let's get this open here. I want to go ahead and show you how it looks on there, just in case you were wondering how these looked and you were ready to purchase. I'll have links to these down below. And the same thing with the Revolution, you get both fronts. I mean, this is a huge win in its own, folks. And these are interchangeable, as you can see. So you can make it all black or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and use this one this time. Pop this open. This is the one that people I think people like the most because it has that kickstand right there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I think I'll go ahead and rock out with the screen protector on this one right here. Yeah, I rock out with the screen protector on this one since I tried the one without the screen protector on the other one. So you peel from the bottom here, right there, and it pops right open. You probably could grab from any corner, but definitely recommended that you go from that bottom corner right there. So we'll get this taken off. Put it to the side. Right here. This is nice. This silver looking color is pretty sweet. It's really nice. So we're definitely going to clean the screen this time before we put it in as well, because we're going to be putting it into a place where it's going to be protected. So it's nice. All right, let's get it in here so it doesn't see any light of day before it touches there. And then we'll peel off the front. I think this might be a fan favorite. This might be a fan favorite when it comes to the cases. Fingerprint reader works good. It's a little deep. I'll admit this is a little deep, so it doesn't work as flawless as it does without it. But because it's deeply in there, so you just kind of get your groove down in there a little bit deeper in there, and then it'll open up. And already, just so you know, this isn't the fastest screen protector, fingerprint reader anyway. So with the screen protector on there, it's great. It's working great. No problems whatsoever. Yeah, it's good. Oops, let me take a screenshot. It's super easy to take a screenshot with this phone. So yeah, man, this is a beautiful case with a built-in screen protector on here. This is the one. This case is great, man. It feels, out of these two, I definitely like this one better because of that flat matte black on the back there. The entire case. These are ultimately the same cases, just about, but one has the clear backing. That's and a kickstand on this one. That's what the difference is. They're both super drop protection. Cut off with the camera, speakers, and everything is perfect on this screen protector that's on here. Flawless. You got your same ports and everything, and it's gonna work for you. This is great. Yeah, cut out on the top, cut out on the bottom, cut out for the camera. It's recessed on both. They're both gonna give you good drop protection, man. I mean, what more do you want other than have some good drop protection on your phone? So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Links for these down below. Remember to follow me on Amazon Live now. I'll be streaming more about cases and products on Amazon Live other than YouTube at times. So follow me over there. I'll try to remember to put a link down here. If you don't see a link in the description of this video, just head over to my Twitter or the community tab on my YouTube channel, and you'll see a link there where you can click that link from a previous stream and hit follow. It's your man Jay. See you in the next one. Take care.